Okay, everybody, as you can see, I got the old tractor running in the background. You can hear it. And you can see front marker lights on it. There's an update on it. Now it has lights. Front running lights. Dash is all done. And she has her tail lights. Guess what? Light number 2. Front and back. And it's a indicator on the dash. Left indicator on the dash. Right in the back, or left in the back. Left in the front. It's better headlights. So, guess what? He's also got a horn. How about that? Yeah. There you go. There's your little final update. I'm putting the lights on the tractor. Couldn't be a final update video without her back here in the woods. Catch y'all on the next one. Oh, like and subscribe if you like what I'm doing. If not, it don't matter. Have a good one. Bye.